Countdown to Jamaica 55 is brought to you by...
So if you guys did not know, CNN has released an article naming Jamaica third on a list of 12 coolest nationalities. I think Brazil is number 1, Singapore is number 2. We are a cool people. But there's more to Jamaicans than reggae, it says, and an accent that's the envy of the English-speaking world and the planet's most distinctive and recognizable hairstyle. It goes on to say, note to backpackers, dreadlocks only cool on actual Jamaicans. No. I don't know about that. Seem pretty cool locks on other people.
Zendaya look nice.
Yeah, with hers. Yeah. Icon of cool, obviously, Usain Bolt, fastest human ever timed, and 9-time Olympic gold medal winner.
Yep. Very cool. Not cool. Okay. So today we're highlighting things that happen in Jamaica.
The first one is we pluralize everything by using the word them. So you have one puss and many puss them.
You know, I don't have a problem with this, which sounds weird. But
what you don't have a problem with?
With them pluralizing everything with them. Let me tell you something. Communication is for people to understand what you're saying. And sometimes I hear, I'm not saying you can't be flexible and learn standard English and other things that you need to learn. But sometimes I hear people struggling to represent themselves. And you have to know this furniture is not furnitures. Fish is fish. And whatever. If you say
one fish, fish them. Yeah. You have something? What you mean? It's something them? Then you get it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to eat the fish them.
That's what I love about JA. The next thing is we put a license plate on everything.
But we have to. Then we're going to identify with things.
I'm not sure about this. Put up that picture like I said.
We're going to identify with things.
This is a real thing?
Oh, Lord.
I never said this happening to my natural man. I don't know about this.
I wonder if the tax office hear about it. 7092 BP.
Oh, no.
Right now, somebody's looking up that license plate.
Oh, gosh. I wonder if it's only on one donkey or on the donkey them. Poor thing. Okay.
I like it. Is that a reflector under it too?
I bet you the donkey they all have a horn, if you don't mind sharp.
Simone, you know, he has the plate on the front and the rear of the vehicle, you know.
Of the vehicle?
Yes. His mode of transportation. Me big you up, boss.
I wonder where the indicator is on that.
Is he on his cell phone? Is that what he's doing?
I don't know. But you must not do that, sir. It's not safe to be on your phone while you're driving.
No, so your problem is get himself in.
You need to get a earphone or a Bluetooth.
And he needs a seatbelt.
On that donkey.
And he needs a seatbelt.
And that's all.
He needs a seatbelt.
Now, this is true. Bush tea cure every sickness. Whether it's leaf of life, love of leaf, busy,
fever grass,
not so busy,
mint tea.
First of all, the first thing before we get to the tea, everything that you feel in your body is gas. If it's even into your toe, it's gas causing. And for the gas, tea cure everything. Ginger tea, I've heard busy is a wonder tea.
Busy is a wonder tea.
Everything from bilious to more.
Everything.
So,
now you have noni tea.
Delia, is that not a croton on the TV?
It might look like a
interspersed with the leaf of life. Nobody knows drink croton tea. He's taking the leaf of life out of the bush.
Out of the croton.
Okay.
To go make the love bush tea.
I bet you there are people.
I don't like how that love bush tea. You know, if somebody give me one tea named love bush tea, more that's suspicious.
Because they're going to tie you.
Yeah. That's son.
What's in your cup? Who made that tea for you?
Miss Dockery.
Okay, it's safe.
Love is already in it.
Next one. No.
Oh yeah, we call every Asian Miss Chin or Mr. Chin.
Okay.
We don't realize how offensive that is, though.
I was just gonna move on from that because
it is offensive. It's a lesson, though, in us, Simone, in understanding, because as African American people refer to us in ways that we find offensive.
Homogeneous.
And then without even thinking about it.
We do the same thing to other people.
We do the same thing.
Okay. Jamaica have two parts. Country
and
town.
town.
Also overseas, we have to add to this list called Ochi. We just learned within the last year or so is actually foreign. So we can add
where you live? I live a town, I live a country.
Country. Yeah.
What a nice house.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God.
It's a beautiful picture actually.
Yeah.
Look, I have enough lizard though, so we couldn't.
We have the loaderman as a career. Well, let me tell you, darling, it's not we alone. Not we alone. When I went to the great Zambia and saw the way they pack coaster, I wonder to myself if there's something in our DNA that teach you how to load
Do their
things.
coasters drive like ours though?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
All right. We rename cell phones, bangers, and fridge. Yes. We create a dance for everything. Absolutely. And the vendors yell. Okay, here's this. The Nokia is coming back, you know, by the way. They brought back that same Nokia phone. Tears and buy. Tears and buy. Tears and buy. Especially for Guinea. You say we're out order? No, the people them don't. I mean, oh, we have to go. All right, never mind. It's not them flavor the Guinea. We soon come. If it's sour, you taste it, you must buy it same way. News in 5 coming up.
Guinea?
It's not their fault. It's sour, them get it off the tree. So that's God.
Countdown
That's
to
not
Jamaica
them.
55 is brought to you by